everyone, how are you doing? Hello Merlin, hello Orklis, Nadej, everyone, how are you doing?
Hi, ALberic, we are doing well.
Hi Vicky.
Yes.
Please, can you turn on your camera, please? I want to see your faces.
Hi.
You all know who I am. I am ALberic Sacramento. I'm here today in front of you to share something about my work. Before I start, tell me, when you were on high school, what class did you love? Like English class, French class, history class, mathematics class. Which class did you prefer?
Mathematics. Biology.
Oh, interesting. Thank you for your response. For me, I also prefer mathematics. I love it really. So that's why I'm going today to talk about descriptive statistics. One part of mathematics. My presentation will take 4 steps. First, I will tell you something about statistics generally. Secondly, I define some key terms on statistics. Next, I'll give you some essential parameters we use to make the job. And then we finish by giving some applications of statistics. I introduced one mistake in slide. Find it to get a bonus. Okay, so let's go. You ready?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Let's go. There are 2 ways we have on statistics: descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics is a set of methods used to collect, organize, summarize, and present data in a clear and understandable way. Unlike inferential statistics, which only draw general conclusions from some deep analysis, descriptive statistics just describes what is observed in the data. Its objective is simple: just convert multiple numerical data into usable and easily interpretable information. That is known. What terms should we know imperatively in statistics? I select for these 5 words, 5 important words to define: population, simple, individual, effective, and variables. Population means the complete set of all individual or elements involved in the study. The simples means a portion of the population selected for the study. Individuals means each element of the population are simple. Effective refers to the number of individuals with a particular characteristic, and then variables refer to that characteristic which is measured or observed in each individual. Can I continue? Do you follow me?
Yes, you can.
Yes. Okay. Let me ask you something. According to you guys, how many types of variable we have? Do we have? Let me know. Kevin, can you give me an answer, please? How many types of variable do we have?
Okay. There are 2 variables, the quantitative variable and qualitative variable.
Okay. Thank you, Kevin, for your answer. Let's move on. This slide is about variables, and it shows us how many really types of variable we have. Does Kevin give the right answer? he said quantitative variables and qualitative variables, and that is on that are on the slide. So I think Kevin gave the right answer. Thank you, Kevin. So, like he said, we have quantitative variables and qualitative variables. But on each those main types, we have also two small types like discrete variables, continuous variables for quantitative variables, and also qualitative variables have have nominal variables and ordinal variables. Nominal variables is like the color green, yellow, red, and ordinal variables is like the school level. The modalities can be classified in a logical order. Is that clear for you guys?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we have same understanding. Thank you. Now we have talked about variables and somewhat on statistics language, but what the statistician uses to describe to make the job. We have we use some parameters, but what I show you on this slide are the main parameters we use, the most parameter we use: mean, simple, range, variance, and standard deviation. The means is the sum of all values divided by the number of values. The simple is the value that divides data into two equal parts when the data is ordered. The range means the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value. It's a simple measure, but it only takes two values into account. We have only one maximum value and only one minimum value, right? Variance measures the average square difference between each value and the mean. The standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Let's discuss about applications. We can apply statistics on many domains like opinion polls. We use statistics on opinion polls to describe the choices made by the respondent. We use also statistics on cell analysis to take a decision about the market evolution. We use also statistics on demographic studies to maybe we want to know how many children are born each year, or how many children the women on the country can make. Also, we use statistics on school results. Maybe you want to know who is first, who is the last, or how many students can go on next class. Also, we use statistics in public health data and project evaluation. In my job, project evaluation is where I mainly use descriptive statistics. I'm sure that Merlin and Kevin know what I mean, right?
Yes.
Thank you. So, guys, that's all I wanted to show you. I hope you are able to understand what is descriptive statistics at all and where we can apply it. We have time for a few questions. Do you find the mistake? Did you find the mistake?
No.
No? Okay. Let me show you. I said simple here is a value that divides the data into two equal parts when the data is ordered. But I already...
Exactly.
You say?
Oh no, go ahead. Go ahead. Sorry.
Okay. The right word here is median. It's not simple. It's median. I wanted to know how many of you are really following me.
Yes, but I saw that.
Okay, thank you, Gati. Someone has a question. We have time. Oh. Nobody?
So,
It's
Okay. Okay, before I end this, I'll tell you a brief story. When I finished my bachelor degree, I found a few time later an opportunity to make statistician work. It was my first time and I took many time to do what the customer accepted. But at all, I finished and she was too happy and I was happy also to take my first money. The customer was a student and she obtained the highest distinction for her thesis defense. So next time, guys, keep on your mind. You can also make a lot of money with descriptive statistics. But what about influential statistics? Think about. Thank you.